Hi, I'm John Murphy, and I am a performance instructor for Fuel. And today I'm going to talk about a problem solving model, a process that I use globally to bring about massive change, uh, again, without authority. And how do I do that? How do I gain trust and get alignment for massive change without going in there and making anything happen with authority? And the answer is I use DMAIC, DMAIC. D is define, M is measure, A is analyze, I is improve and or innovate, and C is control. So it helps us align as a team. We come together as a team, and the first thing we do is define clearly what our mission is. We define our current state. What are we dealing with right now? We begin to measure and get facts and data on the current state. So this is like going to the doctor and getting a checkup and identifying some critical measures that might be out of balance a little bit. So we take that into the A, analysis. We analyze and get to root cause using a variety of different root cause tools to get to here's where the real opportunity is, the real leverage points, and then we improve and innovate at that level and then control what we have left. We do this very efficiently. A Kaizen event typically runs 1 week, and by the end of the week, we've actually made change. We haven't just discussed it. We've made significant change by using a model that we can trust. It's a global best practice. So people don't have to trust me, they'll trust the model, and we get things done. And each step aligns us as we go along so that we're not all on different pages. Try it. Try DMAIC, DMAIC, on any problem you have, any situation or conflict you face, and just see how powerful this model is. It's incredible. I use it all the time. Try it.